Yes.
Wow, from the air I can see this place is one of the most, I've seen some of the best houses I've seen in the country.
And the size of plot. If it is in a prime area, it might be a half an acre going for maybe 180 or 220,000 US dollars.
USD.
Yeah.
So
yes.
for which size of land?
That one, it's like a half an acre.
Oh, half an acre.
Half an acre. All properties that are facing the golf course,
yeah,
are going for more than 220,000 US dollar.
220,000.
That's
USD.
about 22
million shillings.
22 million shillings. And any plot that has got a partial view of the ocean, we have what we call deep plots. To the flat. Yeah.
The idea behind the real estate is you've got to find a way to fund the golf course and the other amenities.
Okay.
And really the only way to do that is through the sale of real estate. Yeah, the idea came about, I guess, Great Rift Valley, because I
the Great Rift Valley.
because I built that golf course also.
Whoa.
So really it was just a follow-up from there, and deciding if it could be done in a different location.
Okay.
I'm originally from the coast, so I knew about this. Born in Kenya, I lived in Kenya all my life.
So you're actually born here and bred.
Yeah.
And actually Rift Valley, is it Rift Valley Golf?
Great Rift Valley.
Great Rift Valley is one of the best golf.
Very different.
So what does PGA means for?
Well, it basically refers to, number one, the PGA is an association, and we're the only golf course and academy that has an affiliation with the PGA in Africa at the current time.
So PGA basically is a professional.
It's a standard of, all professional golfers should be members of a PGA.
Oh, okay.
The original PGA is the one that's based in the UK, and that is called the Professional Golfers Association. Yeah.
So this is the only one in Africa.
It's the only one in Africa that is affiliated to the PGA, yes.
Amazing.
At the moment.
Amazing.
I know they're looking to develop,
to
raise the standard of professionalism in Africa, and so we hope we can lead that.
Okay, so how many events do you host like in a year?
Not that many.
Not that many.
No, very few. We're very orientated towards our members and our homeowners. So it's not always in their interest to have a lot of big corporate golf, but I mean that doesn't mean that we're not averse to it. But it's Vipingo is only really just opening up. It's always been considered a bit out of the way, so it wouldn't be a particularly attractive location for some sponsors. If they're appealing to the mass market, it's not a good location. There are better locations for them. It is a members club in that the only way to be a member is to own a property, which have just gone out on an offer. And the total landmass of Vipingo Ridge is 1,100 acres.
1,100 acres.
Yeah.
Wow, so it's quite huge.
Yeah.
So it's only, as you say, phase 2, but phase 1 and 2?
Yeah, phase 1 and 2. We may phase 2 into several phases, but we've always talked about phase 1 and phase 2.
If someone wants to invest around, how much is the price of the property around?
If you want to buy in phase 1, an acre, they're going for between 35 million and 50 million for properties.
For an acre?
Well, some of them are bigger than an acre, so the price range depends on the acreage of the plot. In our current phase 2, which we have, which are called the D plots, and they're on the road that you came in, they're on the left as you came up the hill. So those we're selling at, I'm not 100% sure, but I think they're around 15 million to 17 million. And they're smaller though, they're half acre, 3/4 acre.
From the range basically between half and a 3/4 acre.
And then as we develop phase 2 into other developments.
So I hope my guys will come and invest in your property.
Yeah, so they should if they have an interest, they should definitely contact the sales team.
The sales team. Link for the marketing team?
Yes.
Yeah, so it will be easy for them.
Well, it actually would be the sales team.
The sales team.
Yeah, and there is I think on the website there is a particular...
You buy land and you build according to your design.
Yes, within very strict regulations.
You heard that, guys. One of the amazing places to be in Africa, and I've come here. It's very serene,
it's very peaceful.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
beautiful.
Did you see some of the wild animals too, or not?
No, I was told that
these wild animals are being taken from conflict areas, and we're providing them a home.
Oh, so the forest is under Vipingo Ridge.
Yes, it is.
And you're keeping some of the endangered.
Well, a lot of the animals, I mean, they just roam freely. You even see them when you play golf.
What kind of animals will you?
We have oryx, we have eland, we have waterbuck, we have impala, and we have I think we have some Grant's gazelle, zebra, and giraffe.
Wow.